What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a blog posts based slider using Evolution Slider WordPress plugin in its version 6. So you can create an amazing post based slider like this one present on our WordPress theme, or Visual Modo blog and magazine WordPress theme premium version. The ink. First of all, you're gonna need to have, of course, posts reading on your blog. You can create this post-based slider using custom post type like gallery or portfolio posts, but let's make it simple for this guide and use the blog posts. The second important step is to have the featured image uploaded, the title, the description, and of course the categorization of the posts. This is really important for the posts-based slider work. The second step now is go to WordPress dashboard, Evolution Slider, and create a new model. New blog, new blank model. I already have the premium slider that comes with our theme that you can import following the video tutorial that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here. So you do not need to create the slider from the ground, but in the case that you are not using our Visual Modo themes yet, you do need to start from the ground. The first thing to do is go to the slider config, the general options, content. In the source, we're gonna set post based, and in the type, we're gonna select post. The post selection is where we're gonna type the category of the posts to call. You can call more categories, but you need to set one by one. The max post and the limit of the set. All done. Now it's time to select the image. We're gonna move to the slider, tools panel. In the top, where we can find the slide option, background. It's set to be transparent. We're gonna set to be an image. And image from string if exist, set on in the setting. So the post can call the featured image of our blog post. Now we're gonna do a title and an accept line. For the title, we can do text, select the headline style. The slider plugin offers a lot of options. Select one. Now, text, quick style content. We're gonna select one as well. Close the right sidebar by clicking on the X in the top right corner. Just to make it easier to view, I'm gonna apply an image from Media Library, which is really useful in the case that your blog post do not has a featured image. You need to display something instead of a transparent box, but this is gonna make the video easier to view. We have a new layer and a new layer, one for the title, one for the content of the post. In the first one, we're gonna click to the content and go to the metadata. Click on it. And in the metadata, we're gonna click on Post tab. Here, we're gonna click on Post Title. You can copy the content or just click on Post Title. The middle one. The second step is do the same with the content. We can select except For example, post except or post content. There's some difference between the except is the best option, but make sure that you type and fulfill the post except field into the post editor of your WordPress. Now, let me just move the contents around. Now I'm gonna be adding a button, so we can click and we can link the blog post into the slider. In the click here, we're gonna call the post link. In the post details, we're gonna find the link of the post. But we do not want that the post display the link, that the slider display the link into the button. So we're gonna copy this link shortcode, delete it, and type read more. Now we're gonna add an action to this read more, the simple link, and in the link URL we're gonna post the shortcode, and we are good to go. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for another video tutorial where I do explain how to apply actions like link to the buttons using Revolution Slider WordPress plugin in its version 6. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with all of those features and much more. And of course, feel free to edit the slider in the style that you want. You are totally free now that you have all the links. All the best!